So it's done for the most part. The gas tank's on there. One thing I got to do still is hook up the seat, put gas in it, and get a battery for it. But when I tried the battery, none of it worked. So this is going to be our kill switch. I'm probably just going to put up through there. But none of it works. Absolutely none of it. Attached the solenoid right there. But hooked up to a battery and absolutely nothing. Not even, it wouldn't even turn over. So that's what we're going to have to do next, I guess.